two people who are climbing the coconut tree in a very convenient manner are Vittal Gowda and Anush. These two persons have proved that from the agricultural sector also we can earn money like a big employee of IT sector company. They are earning from 60,000 to 80,000 rupees by just plucking coconut and selling. Vittal Gowda belongs to Murulyada Kadira village of Sulia Taluk and Anush belongs to Suratkal of Mangalore. They climb trees with the help of an instrument and plucks the coconut in a very easy manner. In a day, they usually climb 60 to 80 trees and pluck coconuts for their business. A training program, Tengina Mara Snehi, which means Friendly Coconut Tree, organized by the Agricultural Science Center Department, has changed the lifestyle of Vittal and Anush. In this training, the department has taught to arrange the instrument to climb the tree and plucking of coconut. These two who had prior knowledge of plucking coconut has sharpened their skills after getting the training and now they have become experts.
In this center, there were more than 200 youths who were trained to climb the coconut tree. After facing the scarcity of coconut pluckers in the part of South Kannada, we have arranged the training to train the young people to pluck the coconut easily. From this, the youths who were facing the unemployment problem became self-employed by climbing the coconut trees.
The trainees who trained well from the KVK center have started to climb 40 to 50 trees in their beginning days. After some months, these climbers were started to mount up nearly 80 trees in a day. Vittal and Anush charges 35 rupees for climbing one tree. People who are facing unemployment problem can learn this work to earn money for a better life, says Vittal Gowda.
In the beginning days, I was able to climb the 50-60 trees. But now I am having the capability of climbing nearly 80 trees every day. I have been plucking coconut in the around 20 kilometers from my village. After starting this work, my financial condition also has become very stable.
ಆನಂತರ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 80 ಮರ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು 80 ಮರ ದಿನ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡಿತೇನೆ.
Vittal Gowda works as coconut plucker in 25 different farms, and if more laborers are required to pluck coconut, they arrange workers from the training ground.
ಹೀಗೆ ತೋಟಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ
I am involved in plucking coconuts in 20 to 25 farms, and if required to take extra persons to pluck means I will arrange other people who got the training from KVK center. The youths who are having problem with job can involve in plucking of coconuts and earn money. After getting the training from KVK, I became good in plucking coconuts and my life is settled by doing this work.
In the training of climbing coconut tree, nearly 200 people were involved in it. Moreover, women from different parts of the Dakshin Kannada district are also getting training from the center. The climbers who trained from KVK is happy and they feel that others should also get training and know the skills.
ತೆಂಗು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾಯೋಜಿತ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ
Tengu Snehi training workshop consisted of 5 days of training on coconut cultivation, control of disease and how to clean and remove weeds when coconut is grown. Women from the different parts of the districts have also participated in this workshop.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇತರರಿಗೆ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊದಲ 5 ದಿನಗಳು ಅವರಿಗೆ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
These two coconut climbers are the best example for those people who sit quietly at home cursing on unemployment. Vittal and Anush have proved that not only an MNC employee can get a high salary, even the agricultural workers can also earn huge money in their hard work ability to learn new things. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.